Here, tradition meets the future. For the first time, internal combustion engines and fully electric drivetrains are built on a single line.
The journey begins here in the press shop. Giant coils of high-strength steel and aluminum, weighing tons, await their transformation.
Precision is measured in microns. Every curve and crease must align perfectly with the designer's original vision.
Automation handles the heavy lifting. Robots stack the panels with delicate speed, preparing them for the next stage, the body shop.
Parts are shuttled autonomously to the body shop, a synchronized ballet of logistics that keeps the line moving without pause. We now enter the body shop, where thousands of individual parts will be fused into a single, rigid structure. Unique to the 7 Series is the carbon core. Carbon fiber reinforced plastic is bonded with steel to reduce weight while increasing stiffness. A swarm of robots descends on the floor pan. Over 5,000 spot welds will eventually hold the chassis together. The side frames are lifted into place. This is the framing station, where the car's silhouette finally becomes recognizable.
The body is now structurally complete. It rises to the upper floors, entering the pristine environment of the paint shop. Robots apply PVC sealants to the underbody and seams, ensuring the cabin remains watertight and whisper quiet on the road.
It's not just welding. Hundreds of meters of structural adhesive are applied, quieting the cabin and adding to that vault-like solidity.
For the roof connections, laser welding provides a seamless bond, eliminating the need for old-fashioned rubber rain gutters.
The completed body in white passes through an automated optical inspection tunnel, where cameras check every gap and flushness. Closures are added. The hood and trunk are fitted with sensors, ensuring the panel gaps are perfectly symmetrical.
Closures are added. The hood and trunk are fitted with sensors, ensuring the panel gaps are perfectly symmetrical. The first step is protection. The body is submerged in an electrostatic bath, coating every crevice to prevent corrosion for decades. The first step is protection. The body is submerged in an electrostatic bath, coating every crevice to prevent corrosion for decades. Dust is the enemy here. Before a drop of paint touches the metal, the body is scrubbed by rotating rollers made of emu feathers.
High-speed electrostatic bells spin at 40,000 RPM, atomizing the paint into a fine mist that magnetically adheres to the body.
The final layer is the clear coat. It gives the paint its depth, gloss, and protection against UV rays and scratches.
The final layer is the clear coat. It gives the paint its depth, gloss, and protection against UV rays and scratches. The Sky Lounge panoramic roof is bonded into place. Embedded LED threads will later illuminate this glass in the dark.
The nervous system is installed first. Miles of wiring harness are threaded through the chassis to power the 7 Series' immense computing power.
Sound insulation and thick carpeting are fitted, laying the foundation for one of the quietest interiors in the automotive world.
Nearby, the cockpit is pre-assembled. The curved display and the crystalline interaction bar are carefully seated into the dashboard.
Workers install the headliner, hiding the roof mechanics and wiring, turning a metal shell into a habitable space. Workers install the headliner, hiding the roof mechanics and wiring, turning a metal shell into a habitable space. The center console is lowered into place, connecting the crystal glass controls to the vehicle's central computer.
Motors for the automatic opening and closing doors are fitted, a signature feature of the new generation 7 Series. The doors rejoin the main line. Fully assembled, they are reunited with the exact car body they started with hours ago. The face of the car is applied. The large kidney grille, illuminated by the iconic glow system, is clipped into the front bumper. While the body takes shape, the heart of the beast is prepared. For the 760i, a V8. For the i7, powerful electric motors. For the electric i7, the high-voltage battery modules are assembled on-site in Dingolfinger's Competence Center for e-drive production. The entire drivetrain, engine, transmission, axles, and battery sits on a carrier, waiting for the body to descend.
This is the marriage. The body is lowered onto the chassis. It is the most critical moment in assembly. In seconds, automated nut runners tighten the bolts connecting the body to the soul of the car. They are now one unit.
With the car elevated, Workers install aerodynamic covers to smooth airflow, increasing range for the electric i7.
Lifeblood is pumped in. Coolant, brake fluid, and windshield wash are filled by automated nozzles that detect the exact volume needed.
The massive 21-inch wheels are fitted. Cameras align the bolt holes perfectly before the nuts are torqued to spec. The lift lowers. For the first time in its existence, the 7 Series supports its own weight. The wake-up. Electronic systems are flashed with the latest software. The digital heart of the car begins to beat.
The car enters the rolling dyno. It drives at highway speeds to calibrate the transmission, driver assists, and speedometer.
Lasers and pattern boards are used to calibrate the radar and cameras, ensuring the semi-autonomous driving features are razor sharp.
The comfort track. The car is shaken and rattled to ensure nothing inside squeaks or vibrates.
A monsoon in a box. The car is subjected to high-pressure water jets to guarantee the seals are perfect. In the light tunnel, zebra stripes are projected onto the paint. Any dent or imperfection would warp the lines, making them visible to the inspector.
White glove inspection. The interior is checked for any blemishes on the leather or wood trim.
The ambient lighting is cycled through its colors. The interaction bar glows, confirming the emotional atmosphere of the cabin.
The badge is verified. Whether it's an M760E or an i7, it represents the pinnacle of the Bavarian lineup.
It joins its siblings in the distribution yard, destined for markets in China, the US, the Middle East, and beyond.
From a roll of steel to a technological masterpiece, it takes thousands of parts and thousands of hands. And now, the process is complete.